Thank you, Nawadish, for calling me. Pleasure is all mine. Good afternoon, everyone. Here we all are meeting for a wonderful speech competition, and the topic of speech is discipline. Discipline and younger generation. My name is Pallavi, here welcoming you all in this wonderful occasion and event. Discipline is the best virtue one can possess. For younger generation, it's indeed a very important aspect for their success, for their improvement in their life. Discipline consists of perseverance, consistency, which ultimately leads to success. A small change in our life, like getting up early in the morning, making our own bed, preparing our food, doing things on time, can lead to a well-disciplined life in our own. And that's not a great change, but it will ultimately lead to a successful life for you, for me. And the guilt after not doing the things which I want, like for example, I want to give, like last day I was setting an alarm for waking up early, but today I couldn't do it. So the guilt the whole day which is coming on my mind, not waking up early, is like a burden for my mind. So why not escape from the burden, and why not achieve that discipline in our life to get that ultimate success in our future? So let's everyone pledge for ourselves that we should inculcate discipline in our life for not only us but for our future. Thank you very much.